Outstanding. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for showing up tonight and investigating student wellness um, and trying to help your own kids navigate public education in the current conditions. Yeah, as Christina mentioned, I'm a national board certified teacher. There are 1,456 national board certified teachers in the state of Wisconsin. We represent about 2% of Wisconsin educators, about 3% of Wisconsin I'm sorry, educators nationwide. I'm just going to talk to you real quickly this evening. I consider myself kind of an expert educator, I guess, after 16 years in the classroom. But as a parent, right, I'm a parent of three school-age children, one in high school, one in middle school, and one in elementary school still. I don't know about you. I can't speak to your experience, but as a parent, I'm groping around in the dark, always trying to find answers and always trying to make sense of what's going on with my kids. So, as an educator and a parent, I'm just going to kind of tell you what's working in my house. I'm working from home. This is my basement. Um, and my kids are working from home, and so we're just trying to navigate it like everybody else, but I thought I'd dispense a little bit of advice. If it works for you, grab onto it, make it your own, share it with others. If it doesn't, leave it on the table. No offense. Everybody's going to do what works for them. As an adult working at home, I can tell you that I sort of feel like the line between work and home has definitely blurred, right? Your students are facing that too, and they need to understand. Normally they go off to school, then they're able to come home and say, okay, now I'm home, done. Just like we do when we come home from work. Um, and it's reasonable to expect our kids are going to have difficulty with that. So what we can do as parents is create an environment of stability, and one that creates well-defined spaces, right? So that the student, the child, our kids know, hey, I'm at school now, or hey, I'm at home now, right? In that mental shift that has to be made during that time. So what can we do? Let's honor, at least in our house, we're honoring the routines of school. So my kids have alarms that go off in the morning. They still have to take care of hygiene and getting properly dressed. They don't go on to their lives looking in their pajamas and whatnot. We do breakfast, and I think it's particularly true to do this, or important to do this, if your district is moving back and forth between face-to-face and virtual, or if they're doing like a hybridized model, A day, B day, to keep that consistency rolling in your student's life. Christina? Students, I find, both as a teacher and as a parent, my kids and my students are having difficulty remembering all the places they're supposed to be without the normal sort of bells, the passing time, which room they're supposed to go to, and all those things. Now they look at a screen and they need to be in the right meetings at the right time. As a parent, I also need spaces, places. This is particularly true for students with IEPs or students who might have difficulty with organizational issues to begin with. So make a poster or post your student schedule in a place that's conspicuous in your home, so that you can check in, that your kid can check in, right? And set alarms, make technology have the ability to do that. And that's what we're rocking in my house. At any given moment, I could be interrupted right now. I'm kidding. Nah, it's a bit late for that. But at any given time in my house, somebody's got an alarm going off telling them that they're supposed to be someplace.